Deževati je začelo v torek zgodaj zjutraj. Oblasti v Santa Barbari so stanovalce sicer pozvale k evakuaciji, a je poziv upoštevalo le malo prebivalcev. Močno deževje je nato sprožilo številne plazove, pod katerimi je ugasnilo več življenj.
This incident so far has resulted in 13 confirmed fatalities as a result of the storm that came through our area last night and caused devastation in the Montecito area.
Debela plast blata je izruvala drevesa, prekinila oskrbo z električno energijo, odnašala vozila in rušila domove. Gasilci in reševalci v težkih pogojih iščejo pogrešane in tiste, ki jih je plaz presenetil in se niso uspeli pravočasno rešiti na varno. Mnogi so varnost poiskali na strehah svojih domov. Reševalne službe si pri njihovem reševanju pomagajo s helikopterji, saj je dostop po tleh praktično nemogoč. Nihče ne izključuje možnosti, da bi število smrtnih žrtev lahko še naraslo.
While we hope it will not, we expect that this number will increase as we continue to look for people who are still missing and unaccounted for.
Območje, ki so ga prizadeli plazovi, spominja na bojišče.
We had a very difficult time assessing the area and responding to many of those areas to assist those people. The only words I can really think of to describe what it looked like a World War I battlefield.
Zaradi premočene zemlje ni mogoče z gotovostjo trditi, da se zemlja v prihodnjih urah ne bo več premikala.
A lot of people believe that the mud and debris only flows when the rain is coming down. Well, that's not necessarily true. What happens once the ground gets saturated with soil, it starts giving. It's kind of like building a sandcastle at the beach. As soon as that sand gets saturated with water, it's just going to slough off. And that's what we're seeing here behind me.
Plazovi so v trenutku uničili domove, gospodarske objekte in ostalo infrastrukturo. Ko se je utrgal plaz, so ljudje imeli na voljo le nekaj trenutkov, da so se rešili na varno.
We saw us cleaning the drains and I heard the rumble of the rocks and I looked over at the river and the trees were just coming down, choo, choo, choo. And we ran into the house and right then the boulders busted through our house and we got upstairs and it got up to about 8 feet, 9 feet up the stairs and we were able to crawl out our window to the roof. The house is wiped out, just took everything out.
V bolnišnice so sicer odpeljali več kot 160 ljudi, nekaj se jih še vedno bori za življenje.